Cash in his new bike. Cash, you can't get off it. Yeah.
Has he got a clean nose? He won't be. Don't take him if he's got a runny old nose.
He's hungry.
No, he's not. He just had a feed. And his tooth come through this morning.
He can't get off the bike. Come on.
What?
Yeah.
Well, what? Who put that there like that? Who did that? Yeah, but why? Why have you done that?
Cash.
What did you do that for? Go and get Jack's next. I think that's good on you. Take Jack's next.
Can't get off the bike.